This is the Hydra Digital Power Center 6 or Hydra DPC 6. What's unique about this Hydra is there are 3 hand-wound air coils inside of each one of these chambers.
What's interesting about the DPC-6 is it's a departure from the design of the Hydras that we've built in the past.
The Hydra DPC-6 isolates the digital electronics in any system from the rest of the analog components in the system.
So this required a higher level of high-frequency blocking for those types of power supplies. Ideally, what you'd want to use, you wanted to block high-frequency noise, you would use a coil of some type. However, in all of our research through more than 10 years, we found that all forms of coils in some way hurt DTCD, and therefore they hurt the audio performance of the components that get plugged into that power conditioner. Now, that doesn't mean we haven't tried. We brought just a sample of some of the experiments that we've conducted in our research to find a coil that didn't have negative effects in the context of an audio system. And you'll notice that none of these are devices that you would go to Mauser or just buy off the internet. All of these have been custom made in an attempt to try to find something that gives you the benefits, the high frequency noise isolation of a coil, but doesn't have corresponding negative attributes. So in that context, of all the research that we've done over the years, we have finally developed a coil that we believe achieves the goal of isolating high frequency noise while maintaining good quality performance in the context of a high-end audio system. We call this the digital coil. It's developed for the DPC-6. We use 3 of them in the DPC-6 to isolate the 3 different duplexes. It performs common mode functions and differential functions for the engineers in the crowd. It uses our wiring.
In all of our products, we don't use any wires that are commodity wire or off-the-shelf wiring.
There are 6 outlets on the back. Each outlet is isolated using the Venom 4 filter array. So essentially, it's a perfect complement to our other Hydra models, for instance, the Hydra Triton or Hydra AV that's used with analog components. And this just essentially firewalls the rest of the digital components from the analog components in the system.